Hey, what's up, guys? This is the another one for you guys. So I'm gonna make this one a little bit quick so that you can actually learn something that's very really cool, so that you can make some good money for yourself. There is this website called acx.com. So you're just gonna come on to this website, and then you're gonna sign up here. Then just going to sign up right here, and since I already have an account on this one, so I'm already inside the ACX website. So what you're gonna do once you get inside on this one, so you're just gonna come straight here on about ACX, and then you're gonna actually see what they actually do inside here. So you're gonna come here, what is ACX? You're gonna click on to this one and then try to understand what is ACX. But the most important thing that I want to show you guys, that you come here onto productions and costs. So you're gonna click on to here. Sorry about that. And the most important about this one is you have to look on these ones here, because we care about how much we're gonna get paid, right? And how much are you going to get from this website. So there is a 40%, which is an exclusive royalty, or maybe you don't even get what you were doing on this site. I'm just a little bit forward about the money you're going to get. So I'm going to show you what are you actually going to do on this website. So you're going to do something like a voiceover, onto an audiobooks. A lot of people now, they don't like reading anymore. They just like to listen to stuff, like listen to music, listen to something while they gaining some knowledge onto something new now. So now most books now, they're being changed into an audio. So places like Amazon, you see iTunes, sales on Audible, all these digital stores now, they sell a lot of audiobooks. So this is where this site comes in. This site comes in into making those books into some audiobooks. So that's where you're going to come in. So you're going to record yourself reading those books and then get them to be sold. No, you're not gonna be the one who's gonna get them to be sold. You're just gonna do your job, and then the person who has a book, they're gonna sell it on Amazon, and then that's where you're going to get paid. The payment is gonna come into 3 ways, as you can see right here: the 40% and the 25%, and then the whole money. So it differs this way. The 40% one, you're gonna get paid a little bit less money from the start. You just did the gig, right? The 25%, you're gonna get a little bit more once you did the gig. This one, you're gonna get a lot more at first. So this is how you're gonna choose this. This one, the one you get more, you just get it once, and then there's no royalties after that. But the 40%, you get a small amount at first, but then you get a recurring income that's gonna come into you. But it depends if the book does well. So as you can see on the 40% as well. Oh, okay, guys. As I was saying, so this one here, right here, you get to be paid a little bit lesser than this one because you already got a little bit more at first when they paid you the money. So you're gonna get a little bit more of some money each month, you know. But it depends on how they will be paying you the royalties as the book is gonna be getting sold. But these two are a little bit risky because the book may not sell that good, or maybe the book may not do as well as you hoped, you know. But on this one, it's guaranteed. Once you do the job, you get paid, you know. There is nothing that's going to be, you know, but it just depends on you, man, which one you would like to do. Even though I recommend the two, but sometimes we'll choose this one, you know. It just depends on how much do you need the money at that point of time. So all I can say is research this website and learn more about it and see if this is something that you would like to do or something that you wouldn't like to do. So all I'm here for is to just give you something that can help you, man, and make some money on the side. Okay, let me just try to remove myself here. Okay. Because this website, man, it got a lot of support that can help you learn a lot of stuff about it. They have a social media. You can use your Twitter, join the LinkedIn, get on YouTube, loads, get started, fast, get tips. Everything that you need to get started is already on this website. You just go on to their social media and get to learn something new, man. It's never late to learn something new. Every day you get to learn something new. So guys, I really do appreciate you watching. I hope I made a little bit of change into your life, you know. And then all you can do, man, you can just like the video and just share it so that other people can see it too, and then they can get some help, you know, and make that dough, you know, so that we can all get to where we want to be someday, you know, in life. So this is the best one I could come up with today. So keep a close eye on the channel. I will be bringing you something new each and every day, man. So I hope we'll see each other on the next one. So thanks for watching. See you next time.